Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you all the things about Git. If you want to learn Git completely, this video is for you. Without any further delay, let's get into the video. So, before starting Git, first we need to set up Git in our. Before starting Git, first we need to set up Git in our computer, right? So let's open Chrome or whatever browser you have. Just open your browser and git type git download for Windows, or else simply type git download. One second. Yeah, sorry for the interrupt, guys. A small network issue. Hope you are on. So let's click on this git downloads. Like from here you can see uh, download one of these, like which is compatible to your machine. Like if your system is a 64-bit, you just click on this and download that one. Since I have downloaded Git, I'm not going to download again. So nowadays most of the systems are 64-bit, so you can go with this. So who are using 32-bit, you can choose this one and proceed further. So if you have any doubts while setting Git, you can go back to my YouTube channel videos, and there you can find how to set up Git in our system. So after downloading and setting up all the things, you can come back here and continue your watching. So for now, let's keep this Git setup. And so after setting Git in your system, just type git bash. So here you can see git bash. So git bash is just like a command line, like a terminal. So this helps you to work on Git. So before delving into Git itself, first understand the basic commands and basic things that we need to know before starting. So see, if you want to create a new file, you can use such command. So actually, if you want to create a new file in a particular place, we just go there and we right click there and we will create a new folder or file. So instead of doing that thing, we can create using this git bash also. Like I think most of you know how to do this. Using, I think some of you might have done by using your command prompt itself. So oh, wait, one second. So before, let me close this one. I just want to show you one thing. So I just want to create whatever folders are there, whatever I'm going to create now, that should come to my desktop. So what I need to do is that right click here on desktop and go to show more options. And here you can see git bash. So click on this. So now you are on desktop. So here, if you want to create a new file, you can simply type touch file name followed by the extension, followed by the extension. So for now, let me give the text file. So if I click enter, you can see a new file name .txt is created and is there on my desktop. So this is the way of creating a new empty file. So say if I want to create a new folder, like I mean a new directory. So directory is nothing but a folder. So if I just want to create a new directory or a new folder, the command that we should use is that mkdir, which refers to make directory, followed by the directory name. So for now, let me give the name as new folder. So hit enter. Now you can see a new folder is created on my desktop. So say now I just want to create a new file inside this new folder. So for creating a new file in this particular folder, first we need to navigate to that folder. So first we need to change our path. Now we are on desktop. That's why when we created this file name .txt and new folder, this came into this desktop. So now we want to create inside the new folder. So now we need to change that directory to new folder. I mean, we need to change our path to new folder. So for that, use cd, which means change directory, followed by the directory name. So since we want to create a new file inside the new folder directory, I'm giving that name. So hit enter. Now you can see we are on desktop and we are now in new folder. So inside this, if you just create a file, it will be of course inside the new folder itself. So let's try that one, like enter touch, sorry, touch, hit enter. Now you can see a new file is created inside this folder. See, you can actually check from here itself, like if you enter ls, which means list all the files, whatever files or directories are there inside this particular folder. So since as of now we just created one single file, it's showing only file name.txt. Say if we want to delete a particular file, then we can use remove command like rm followed by the file name. So if we just want to create the if you just want to remove the file name what we just created, now you can type rm, which means remove, and followed by the file name. So let me give file name dot txt. So now if you see inside that new folder, there is no file. Since we removed that file, the directory is empty now. So now if we want to go back to our desktop and if we want to remove this particular file from here, so for that we just need to change our path. So if you want to go back to desktop, you can simply use cd, which means change directory, followed by dot dot, which will take you back one step back to the path. So now we are in desktop. So now we can remove that particular file. Hit enter. So now you can see the file is deleted. So say if you want to delete this folder itself, so whenever you want to delete a folder, first make sure that that particular folder is empty. Since they already know that this folder is empty, so we can remove that folder. So guess the command for removing that folder and give the command in comment section and check whether your guess is correct or not. So see, for removing the files, we used the rm command. For removing directories, we should not use that particular command. For removing directories, there is another command called rmdir, which means remove directory. So this command will remove the directories. So before deleting the directory, make sure that particular directory is empty. So now let me give that name and hit enter. So now you can see the folder is also deleted. And if you want to just clear all these things, whatever you did till now, you can just simply enter clear, so that this terminal is fully clear. So as of this video, these things are enough. So in the next video, we will discuss how to open the created files and how to insert new contents into the files and how to save the files. And also we will start by the concepts in Git, and we will move further. So if you want to learn Git completely, follow our YouTube channel and turn on the notifications. And if you like this video, please hit a thumbs up, and then try to give a comment and share this video for your friends. Thanks for watching. Keep updated. Thank you.